Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen AI Academy. I hope you are doing good. In the previous video, we have learnt about handling the iframe using name. Please make sure you understood those concepts because I am going to reuse the same code to teach iframe using index number. Short recap. First, let's understand the requirement. Once we navigate to this URL, we have to click at openqa-selenium.chrome, which is available in the list frame. After clicking at this link, the respective package details will be displayed in the package frame. Now, in the package frame, click at Chrome option. Due to this, Chrome option details will be displayed at the class frame. This is the class frame. Then in the class frame, click at help link to display all the help content. Hope you got an idea about the requirement. The same requirement, let's do a code walkthrough. First, we have to navigate to the mentioned URL. Nothing but this particular page. Then in our requirement we have to click on this link, so we have to activate that particular frame, that is list frame. The syntax for that is driver.switch2.frame. mention the frame name. Now you can perform any action in this list frame because it is activated. The next step, we have to click at Chrome option, that is switching control from one frame to the another frame. But for that, there is a mandatory step. First, you have to bring back to the default content position. So the syntax is driver.switch2.default content. It's a mandatory step. Once that is done, then you can activate the next frame, whichever you want. In this example, it's a package frame, and perform the action in that particular frame. Same way, once again, if you want to click on help link, then you have to first come back to the default content, then activate the class frame and perform the action. This is how we will handle the frame using name concept. Now let's do the same program using index concept. I'm going to reuse the same program, so copy, paste, giving name as handling frames using index. Okay, just open that program. What modification should I make it here? Before that, I will explain you one small concept. Let's consider a layout like this, which contains 6 frames. Now, how the index numbers are assigned to each frames. First rule, always whenever we use index concept, it will start from 0. Then the assignment will start from top to bottom, that is column wise. It means this frame will contain the index number 0. Then this frame will contain index number 1. Same process will be carried out to the next column. This frame will contain index number 2 and this one index number 3. Again same concept. This frame index number 4 and this frame index number 5. So the index will be assigned like this direction. This is how the index will be assigned. If you understood this index assignment concept, then we are done with this topic. Now you can pause this video and think about index for this layout. Nothing but our requirement. It will be list frame as 0, package frame as 1 and class frame as 2. If your answer is similar to mine, then you understood this concept properly. Okay, let's apply this encoding. Now what changes we are going to make it here? As per our understanding, the list frame index will be 0, package frame index will be 1, class frame index will be 2. So only change in the coding is we have to replace the name by index number. So 0, then 1, then 2. That's it. Let's execute this program and see. Application launched, navigated to the URL, clicking at the Selenium Chrome link, then Chrome option, and finally it clicked at help link. Then it closed the application. We got the required output in the console. So there is no big difference between name and index. In name we have to give the exact name. In index we have to assign according to the sequence. Now time for the interview question. Just think and comment me in the video description which one is best, whether name or index number. If you say something is best, what is the reason for that? Just share your solution. Hope you got a good clarity about this topic. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.